Hi, I'm Guy Spiro, your Astro Weatherman, with the forecast for Saturday, March 26th. Astro weather is the general astrological energy for all signs that we all deal with. Think of it as being like mental and emotional weather. Now please share this video with your friends. And to read a more specific forecast for your time zone, go to lightworks.com. The moon remains in Capricorn through today, with no moon void course period to deal with. Remember that moon in Capricorn general moods tend to be more down to earth and concerned with accomplishment, and people are more motivated to start and finish projects. Stay on task and get things done. Yeah, I know, it's Saturday, but the moon is in Capricorn anyway, so deal with it. The high relationship and social energy from yesterday will remain very much with us through today, and there are two more major energies to deal with. The first can bring problems to relationships, especially where people fall prey to feelings of restriction and frustration. Now this can be in bad combination with yesterday's lingering energy, as they are contradictory, and some people will feel jerked around by it all. The second is also related, but is much more positive. This energy is very good for taking relationships and artistic matters to more spiritual levels. There will be many options. Take the right ones. Now watch for 3 or 4 hours centered at these times for the potential for some very bad moods. Really. Now social scenes will be highly energized tonight, and the festivities will be intense, but good choices will be very important. Thank you for viewing Astro Weather, which I've been writing since 1979. Have fun today. Really have fun. Carefully, however, and I will be here for you tomorrow.